What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Blue Exodus. In this video, I don't even know what's going to happen, but my friend said, call me when you get a second, saw something you might be interested in, and have the camera on. So, let's give him a call and see what he's got. I don't know what it could be. Hopefully it's something good.
What are you doing?
I don't know. What do you got going on over there?
So I got the kids with me, and we passed by a house, and there's a trash can out front, and it looked like there was a little motor sticking out of it.
No way.
Dude,
What?
I know you're messing around with that lately, and it just seemed kind of interesting.
All right. Send me the address. How come you didn't get it?
I got the kids with me, and I'm in the van.
Okay. All right. Send me the address, and I'm on the way.
All right, will do, buddy.
All right, bye. We gotta go. Come on, let's go. We gotta go get a motor out of the trash, maybe.
What?
We gotta go. Come on. She's probably not happy about that, but we gotta go.
All right. Are you going to tell me what's going on?
Mark said that he thinks he found an outboard in a garbage can by his house. And I asked him why he didn't grab it, and I guess he said he was in a hurry or something. So
What?
we gotta go investigate. Hopefully it's something cool. I don't know.
Well, if it's in a trash can.
I mean, a lot of people throw away good stuff, so we gotta at least go check it out.
All right.
Let's see what happens. You never know. So I got my spirits are high. Hopefully it's something good. Stay tuned.
All right. I guess we'll see.
It just started raining. What we got? He said it's up here on the corner, so we're gonna see what we got here. What do we got? Oh my. Dude, are you kidding me? Let's check it out. It's just a baby. No way. It's got to be blown up or something. What do you think about this thing?
I think it's old.
It's definitely old. I bet you I could pick it up with one hand. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, it's just a baby. Think we can get it running?
Probably.
Let's take it back.
Maybe.
Let's take it back to the house.
It's probably just been sitting. Hopefully.
Grab the tailgate. Let's go. We got to get out of here. Oh my goodness. The house is for sale, so
Probably just cleaning stuff out.
just cleaning it out. Nice and easy. Let's roll. Sweet! We gotta go. It's starting to rain pretty bad. There she is in all her glory. Let's get this thing on the stand. This stand's a little big, but whatever. It's such a baby. Like a glove. Wow. We need to get it cleaned up. We're gonna spray it off with degreaser and see what she really looks like. A little purple power. I don't understand how somebody can just throw this in the garbage. Like, what in the world is going on, guys? Oh my goodness, look how good it's cleaning up. This thing's like a relic. Let's see if this works. It moves freely. No way. Oh, I don't know if she's locked up or not. We'll figure that out in a second. Here she is all cleaned up. It's not completely detailed, but It looks way better than it did. It was really dusty. It looks like it's been in storage for probably 100 years. I believe this model is a 1980. And this fuel line, I don't know if it's from, I mean, these are newer zip ties, but definitely is real stiff. What is this? Fuel line. Oh, that was closed. We might have a chance. They might have ran the carb out of fuel, so we might need to clean the tank maybe. I don't know. We need to check compression and all that stuff. So let's get into it. Let's just see if it will turn over. I'm just going to use the prop. Oh, it's spinning. You can hear it moving. Oh, dude, this thing's going to run. Oof. She seems pretty dry, but that's normal. The plug that's in it's a Champion J4J. And I looked it up and that's the correct plug. So let's just see if we got any sparkage. But before we do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of PB Blaster in there to give it some lubrication. And we'll give her a couple pulls. Sounds healthy. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Let's see, I'm holding my foot on the thing here. We're checking for spark. Oh, it's sparking. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can see it. It's sparking really good, actually. Do a little compression test on it. What do we got? What do we got? We got 70, about 70 PSI. That's perfect. I think in between 60 and 80 is what I read, so good to go. This thing should run, no doubt. Trash find, running motor. What in the world is going on? Worked out great. See, I only went in there just a little bit. Still managed to get the compression, and it's perfect. Let's go. I was gonna put a new plug in it, but the old plug doesn't even look that bad, so we're just gonna run it with the old plug. We'll have $0 in it so far. And what's cool is the fuel was turned off. So hopefully they ran it out of fuel before they stored it. Let's get this thing tightened up, put the boot back on, and then we're gonna be dealing with the fuel. So hopefully that goes well. I got an inline fuel filter, C-Choice, and a new fuel hose. But we're gonna replace that real quick. And I know if there's a bunch of trash inside of the tank, hopefully this will pick it up, and we will not disturb the carburetor if it was ran dry before it was stored, which everything's checking out. So I'm thinking that that's the case. First piece cut. Got my air going this way. Sweet. Let's get some gas in it and see what happens. Oh, that little piece just broke and went inside the tank. Ugh. All right. Could be worse. I just ended up breaking the rest of it off. Should be plenty there to see if we can get her to fire up. Turn the fuel on. Sounds really good when you pull it. Oh my God, dude. Dude, it's gonna run. It had perfect compression, bro. All right, so I pushed the choke off. Dude, I'm so stoked. All right. Why doesn't it stay running though? That's the issue. And I probably should put it in water before I try more. Now that we heard it fire up, let's put it in some water so I don't burn up the little baby impeller that's down there. All right, we're gonna see what happens with it. It's raining, you know. We're just gonna continue to keep working on it. We don't care. Let's choke it. Put her back to start. Probably choke it a little bit. Push it in a little. Runs great. Let's go. Straight out the garbage. Listen to all that horsepower. Dude, come on, man. Let's go. Straight out the garbage. All right, it's been sitting a while. Figured I'd try it one more time. I'm not gonna choke it, not gonna do anything. Just see if it'll fire up. Purrs like a kitten. That thing runs great. I don't even know why anybody could ever throw that in the garbage. I don't get it. And thanks to my partner in crime, Mark, for calling me. I wish he would have just grabbed it out of the garbage. We got super lucky.
Man, my wife would kill me if I got any more stuff in the yard.
So I'm super glad that he called me and saw this they threw a little baby away. How can you throw a little baby away like this? I guess somebody just didn't want to mess with it, and I don't know. It is what it is. But hey, we got it. And I hope you guys like this video. I know it was a little out of time. I know we've been working on the Wellcraft, and look at the Hydrosport here. We didn't forget about it, but it's here. It's just, it's pretty current. You know, I'm trying to keep everything current with what's going on. I don't really like to hold back any episodes. So as it happens, that's how I do it. I appreciate you guys so much. And thank you for liking and subscribing everything, and all my new subscribers. Appreciate you more, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys.
Later.